Hi everyone, I'm Eileen DePaula from Cornell Cooperative Extension of Rensselaer County Forage Youth Development. And today we are going to learn how to make carrot raisin salad. First, we need to make sure our hands are very clean because it's very important to wash your hands before you work in the kitchen and do anything with food. This recipe comes to us from the Forage Cooking 101 curriculum. It only has a few ingredients. We need 3 carrots, 1/2 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, low-fat mayonnaise or yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Now, to prepare this recipe, we do need to use a grater, a vegetable peeler, and a knife. So if you are one of our younger members, make sure you have an adult to help you use the sharp instruments, okay? But everyone can do the measuring and the stirring. And everyone can eat the recipe when we're done at the end. So to start off with, we need to rinse our carrots off really well. Then take your carrot, put it on your cutting board, and you want to cut the ends off, okay? Then we'll peel our vegetables, our carrots. So it's very important when you're peeling to peel away from yourself and be safe. Then for the grater, again, we have to be really careful with this because these are very sharp. So you want to grate your 3 carrots into a bowl. Now I've already grated my 3 carrots and they're in this bowl here. So we need to, our next step is to add the raisins. And this is 1/2 cup of raisins, so we're going to put them in there. We'll mix them up a little bit. Then we're going to add our 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and this is low-fat mayonnaise. So we're going to put it in there. We're going to mix it up really, really well. And then we're going to add in a little bit of our sugar. We're going to mix this up very well. Make sure we incorporate the mayonnaise. Ah, that looks so good, and it's pretty, isn't it? It's a nice springtime recipe. Okay, so when we think we have it mixed up enough, then we'll chill this until it's time to serve. And that's, you have a very easy, nice, yummy salad for dinner or for a snack to share with your family. So I'm so glad you were able to join me today, and until next time, happy snacking, and thank you for being with us today.